My name is Anushka Patel. I am from CS1. My roll number is 31. Today, I'm going to present a presentation on topic software testing tools. The testing tool I have chosen is Postman. Postman, the same software testing tool that I have chosen is Postman. So the first thing that we are going to cover is what is software testing, and the topics we are going to cover are what is software testing, and simplify your API testing process. This is what whole presentation is going to be about. First of all, what is software testing? Software testing is the process of evaluating and verifying that the software product or application does what it's supposed to do. Basically, it means to test whatever we have made, whether it's working properly or not, or is it according to the client's need, or is it performing all the test cases or and functionalities, and like it exactly what we wanted, just to test that whether it is exactly what we wanted or not, or does it has all the requirements we need for ensuring that we use software testing. It's an activity that is conducted in the software development life cycle to verify that the software is accurate and works according to the requirement. So let's come to my topic, and it is API testing tool. So what is API testing? API testing is essential part of software development life cycle that focuses on verifying the functionalities and reliabilities or the performance or security of an application, that having an interface, API interface. API testing is extremely crucial because testing an API will ensure and verify its functionalities, its reliabilities, the performance, and security. So API testing is crucial for several reasons we can see over here. Like it ensures functionalities, as I mentioned before, and detects bugs and issues. It's extremely important in a test. This is one of the most important reasons why we should test our softwares, just to ensure whether they are bug free or issue free or not, because we don't want that if we are delivering a software to our client and it is full of bugs, we never want that to happen. That's a very bad situation. So that's what it is for. I think happen. Yeah. Let's get back to let's move forward to our main topic, that is Postman. Postman is a leading software testing tool that specializes in API development and testing. I think it's self-explanatory. It's a user friend. It has a user-friendly interface that is. It's very easy to understand. We can understand it like very easily, and it is powerful. It has extremely powerful features and extensive community support. For in tech, a, it's very important to have a strong community support, because if we are facing any problem, any issue with our software or our application, we can just post there and community can help us and can help us out in finding all the solutions. API, like, let's move forward to that topic. API development and testing. Postman provides a comprehensive platform that for designing and building testing APIs. It offers user-friendly interface that simplifies the process of creating API requests for managing authentications. Now, what is automated testing? In automated testing, we just give out whatever we want to test, whatever API. We give the API link or API in general, and we'll tell the Postman to what we are expecting him to perform, like whether it's whether what we call it. Basically, it performs get operation, post operation, delete operation. Will specify whatever kind of operation we're expecting Postman to do. For the similar reason, Postman is a leading software testing tool for API development and testing. Something happening right now. So let's move forward with what are the key features of Postman. Postman is API request builder. Like Postman provides a user-friendly interface that simplifies the process of creating API requests. Like for a beginner, it's extremely important to have a user-friendly interface, just so that we can at least interact with the tool. Because if tool isn't user-friendly or does not have a user-friendly interface, we don't want that we are spending like a lot of days, maybe many hours or maybe days, in just learning the tool itself rather than performing whatever testing we need to do. So that's the upside of Postman, that it has extremely good user-friendly interface, and its intuitive designs allows the user to quickly understand and navigate the tool. That's extremely important to have. It has test suite management. Like Postman allows users to create and manage test suites within the tool. User can define multiple tests for each API request, including the assertion on response, data, status, code, header. Exactly what I said about the get or post requests. Then the third feature is test result and assertions. Postman provides detailed test results, making it easy to identify issue and track the success or failure of the API test. That's extremely important to. It's very important for a tool to give us whatever like accurate test results, because what are we using them for? Just to test our software whether they are working properly or not, or they're up to the mark or not. So just to just for that we need to have a good test result. Okay, and then it has a good environment variable management. Postman supports the creation of different environments for testing, such as deployment, staging, and production. Now, what are the benefits of using Postman? First of all, time efficiency, because it has such a great user friendly interface that the newbies or the new users does not have to spend a lot of time in just understanding and navigating the tool. It's easy to grasp. We can quickly learn and do our testings on it, and it and it reduces the time required for API testings as compared to the manual methods. Because obviously, if we are using a tool, what is the tool? Why do we use it? Just to save us time or save us from the laborious work and our efforts, because who wants to spend a lot of like many hours whether for a thing that could be done in just few minutes per se. Then the second benefit of Postman is improved collaborative platform. It's a like Postman serves as a collaborative platform for teams because it has a good team support. The whole development team or the whole team can work on API testing and development on Postman efficiently and easily. Um, Now let's move forward with what are the real life use cases of Postman. So like testing and validating APIs, we we read about it earlier that Postman is widely being used by developers to test and validate APIs. It is commonly employed for integration testing. Okay, where multiple systems and components need to be tested. Then Postman helps organize or generate comprehensive interactive API documentation. Now, we read all about Postman, but what is the real life use of Postman or where is it being used? There's a very popular Teams app named as Slack, where all the whole team just communicates with each other, post their developments, their work, their issues. It's like the WhatsApp for developers or the for a team. So Slack uses Postman, like like so Slack uses Postman, which is an extremely good API testing tool, and it takes the leverage of Postman's automation collaborative features to test and validate the API for smooth integration with external services and partners. So this takes us to the end of our presentation. Let's quickly conclude whatever we saw in our presentation. The Postman is a comprehensive platform for API development and testing, offering an intuitive interface for quickly creating API requests and customizable parameters. Its automatic automation capabilities and support for testing script empowers users to streamline the testing process. Then Postman's features such as collection, environment, or I'm sorry, and collaborative tools enhances team collaboration, knowledge sharing, and maintainability of API testing assets. Maintainability is extremely important because more than 60% of our efforts are like are put in maintaining our APIs or software, because it's extremely difficult to maintain a software. Then with extensive assertion option, test result reporting and support for different auto authentication mechanisms, then it enables the creation of mock servers for front-end developers, supports API documentation generation, and provides monitoring and performance testing capabilities. So that's it. I think that's it. We are at the end of our presentation. Yeah, the end of our presentation. Thank you so much. This is Anushka Pateria, roll number 20, roll number 31. Have a good day.